When a student answers a Get It question incorrectly, the teacher may choose to assign them a review playlist to help them better understand the material in that lesson without interrupting the flow of instruction to the entire class. When a review playlist is assigned, the student will see a notification of Get It Reviews on their dashboard. Clicking Get It Reviews will show the student a summary of every Get It question they've answered, including their answer, whether or not the answer was correct, and a link to a review playlist if one was assigned. Clicking this link will open the review playlist, which students can work through by viewing the learning objects and using any instructional notes to guide their completion of the playlist. Once the student clicks the last item in the review playlist, labeled Mark Completed, their Get It Review page will be updated accordingly.